Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the exercise part of the chapter The Little Fir Tree. Children, this is our first class after the summer vacation. Children, I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. So, children, please stay at home safely. And, children, please take out your English book. Please take out page number 27. We will do reading is fun firstly. So, children, you know what we have to do? We have to tick the correct answer. And the very first question is the pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves. But the pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves. But so there are three options, and the correct answer is a man stole them. A man stole them. Second question. The fir tree was sad. You know why was the fir tree sad? So there are also three options, and the options are because it had yellow leaves. Second option, because it had nettle like leaves. And the third option, because it has very short. And the correct option is the second option, which is because it had needle-like leaves. The third question, the fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. And the options are first option, because the goats came and ate them up. Second option, a man stole them. And the third option, the gold leaves broke. And children, the correct answer is a man stole them. Children, please take out the next page, page number 28. So, we are going to do the topic word building. And the first question is, by changing the circled words to its opposite, write the sentences. One has been done for you. So, children, what we have to do? We have to write the opposite of the encircled word. And the very first option, and it has been solved, children. I carry a light bag to school every day. So, children, you know the opposite of the word light, and the opposite of the light is heavy. So, children, the answer will be I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Now, you have to do the rest of the questions. Question number B, Rina on the race. Rina on the race. Opposite of the word on will be lost. So the answer will be Rina lost the race. I think now it's audible, children. Sorry, it's visible, more visible. Question C. I love eating vegetables. I love eating vegetables. We have to write down, we have to write the opposite of the word love. And the correct opposite word will be hate. So the answer will be I hate eating vegetables. Likewise, question number D. This glass of milk is full. This glass of milk is full. So the opposite of full is empty. 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 So the answer is this glass of milk is empty. Now, question number E. This old man is wise. This the old man is wise. The old man is wise. And the opposite of wise is foolish. So the correct answer is the old man is foolish. The old man is foolish. Children, please correct it. Here I have written this old man. So you will write the old man. The old man is foolish. Now, second question of the topic word building. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un or im. So what we have to do, children? We have to write the opposite of the given words, but we have to use un or im. We have to add un or im before the word, and we will make the opposite of the word. So children, let's start. The first word is happy. The opposite will be unhappy. Happy, unhappy. So we have added un. So children, be careful. We have added un. Happy, unhappy. Important, unimportant. Important, unimportant. Polite, impolite. Polite, impolite. Perfect, imperfect. Perfect, imperfect. Seen, unseen. Seen, unseen. Healthy, unhealthy. Healthy, unhealthy. So children, you have seen that we have added un or im. Next word, proper, improper. Proper, improper. Safe, unsafe. Safe, unsafe. Lucky, unlucky. Lucky, unlucky. We have added un in it. Patient, impatient. We have added im in it. Patient, impatient. Possible, impossible. We have added im. Possible, impossible. Pure, impure. Now, please move to page number 29. Question number 3. So, children, what we have to do? So, children, we have to uh, please read this given passage, children, and the words given in blue. So, we have the word given in blue. What we have to do? We have to write the opposite of the given words in blue. Rita loved her dog Sheru. Sheru would go out of the house and come back himself. But one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Sheru was lost. He was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying when she reached home. She got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. So now, children, we have to give the opposites of the words in blue. Children, loved, hated, loved, hated. Go out, come in, come, go, come, go. Everywhere, nowhere, everywhere, nowhere, down, up, down, up, lost, found, lost, found, nowhere, everywhere, nowhere, everywhere, crying, laughing, crying, laughing, happy, sad. So, children, please do it carefully. Write as I have written in your notebook. Next topic, children, it's let's write. So, children, in it, what we have to do? We have to rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. So, children, these sentences are incorrect. So, we have to make it correct. And, children, we have to write the capital letters where necessary. So, children, the first passage is one Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water, and their friend Raz. Children, you know the very first letter of any sentence will be in capital letter. So, children, when we start writing any sentence, we write the first word with capital letter. So, O will be capital. Then Saturday, you know it's the name of the day. So the first letter of this word S will be capital letter. Then you know Amarjit, Rani, these both are naming words. India Gate is also a naming word. Children, so we'll start writing these words with capital letters. Then after children, Raj. Raj is also a naming word. So we'll start writing this word with capital letter. So what will we write? One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit, A will be capital, O will be capital, and his little sister Rani, R will be capital, went for a picnic to India Gate. The letter I and G, India Gate, will be of capital letter. Full stop. There they saw ducks, water, and their friend Raz. R will be of capital letter. Next, question number 2. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle like leaves best for goats. Don't eat them, and no man can steal them. So, children, here we will use exclamatory mark also. So, children, it will be used after the word oh. So, the first letter of this word oh will be of capital letter. O will be capital letter. Again, children, D will be capital letter. Oh dear, said the fir tree. Full stop. Then we'll start inverted comma and we'll start writing children. I will be capital as given in the book children. I like my old needle like leaves best for goats, comma, don't eat them and no man can steal them. Full stop. Now children, please take out page number 30 and we'll start the topic. Let's talk. So children, you can see in this picture. Please observe the picture. So there are 8 things. The names of the things have been given children. Ducks, mat, dog, girl, boy, tree, fountain, flowers. Some of them can't be seen, but most of the things you can see. So children, we have to write down any 4 things that we can see. Understood children? So please write any 4 things that you can see. And the things are ducks, tree, flower, flowers, butterfly, mat. So children, we have to write only four things. So you write any four of it. Now what we have to do, children, please look at the picture once again and describe the picture. So now we will describe the picture. There is a bird near the mat. A boy is standing while a girl is sitting on the grass. They have gone there for picnic. Two ducks are swimming in the pond. A butterfly is sitting on a flower. Children, you can describe this picture as you want. Next, fun time. So there are two activities, children. One is about making a dish flower pot. Children, you can do this activity at home, children. You can decorate your house, your room, children. And second, children, you know, some things can be breaked easily, children. So suppose you drop glass and the things made of glass, it can break, it will be break easily. So children, do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books, or your plastic water bottle can break easily? So you have to circle the things that you can. Please circle spoon. A glass spoon can be break easily. So please circle spoon. Then flower pot. You can circle books also. You can break them easily. You can circle cup also. Table and plastic water bottle, a bit difficult to break them. So please circle spoon, flower pot, books and cup. Now we move to next page, children. Page number 30, 32. Which of the following actions would make others happy or unhappy? So children, this is related to our moral value, children, and our etiquettes and manners. So children, we have to divide this all in two categories: actions that make people happy and actions that make people unhappy. So start doing this, children. Firstly, action that make people happy. Children, please uh, use your books while we are doing this activity. It will be legible and it will be visible, clearly visible, children. So action that make people happy, first, respecting elders, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, caring for pets, and six, being honest. Next, actions that make people unhappy: not saying thank you, not sharing, watching television all day, telling lies, being greedy, getting angry easily. So children, now we have done the exercise of this chapter, The Little Fir Tree. That's all for today, children. That's all. Thank you. Thank you very much.